Antropic just released their own certificates for Claude, and guess what? I'm getting one. Let's talk about it. All right, guys, this is your boy Joe back at it again, CodingPhase.com. Your boy's backing out and did it again one more time. Now, this time around, we're talking about this topic. It's a controversial topic. Some people like it, some people don't like it. Some people are hating on it for sure, right? And I understand why, right? They're like, man, this is a money grab. Man, why do you need to get a certificate from, Antropic that you are a good Claude user, right? I believe they have 3 different types of certificates that they're going to be allowing people to get. And I think the price is around $125 or $150. Now, some of you guys might be thinking in your head, I don't want to spend no money. Guess what? Don't spend it if you don't want to. But for some of us that we understand the value that it comes with, right? Guess what? We are going to get it. Now, I know for a lot of guys that's in the space, especially engineers, right? Some of you guys are used to just having a degree and calling it a day, okay? But to be honest with you right now, in this market, you're going to need anything to help you out and, getting a job, right? And believe it or not, this is the norm, okay? If you look into Salesforce, if you look into Braze, if you look into Marketo, if you look into some of the Adobe certificates, when it comes to tools, in a sense, you want to get certified. And that's how companies know that, hey, you know how to actually use these tools. It's not like how it used to be where you show up and it's like, hey, we care about you sorting some random tree, reversing a binary tree, and this is, ain't nobody got time for that. Yo, you got your certificate or not, okay? Straight up. That's just how it's gonna be. Now, this is the norm when it comes to tools. You go in, you get certified, and then now they don't have to really be worried about if you know how to use these things. Now, there's a lot of benefits from getting that certificate. Not only just for you to be able to know how to use the tool properly and how, Antropic suggests that you use the tool, but also too for, for your job. And also too, there's so many of you guys that be watching, the channel, and other people that watch other videos. Maybe this is your first time watching this channel, right? But a lot of you guys don't even know how to use AI, to be honest with you. Okay, I'll be honest. I'll be watching people that go live on YouTube and they be like, hey, I'm building a software as a service. And all they're doing is just letting Claude do whatever and build whatever, okay? There's a guy who's like, I'm on my way to $1 million. Mind you, they just burning through tokens. They don't even know how to actually do this shit properly. So in a sense, you can actually go in and get the most bang for your buck. Because believe it or not, in the near future, companies are not going to be able to go in and pay for every single token that, that you want to go in and be burning. Right now, we have that $200 Max Pro, whatever, right? And and we have unlimited access to a certain point, right? But guess what? They're being subsidized, right? So in reality, they're gonna need people who know how to use the AI models and then at the same time save the company money. This is where this certificate brings in that value, because you're gonna know how to actually use it properly. It's not just like, hey, I'm just vibe coding. No, this is a professional tool, okay? You gotta know what the hell you're doing, my guy. You're costing us money. That's how companies is gonna be looking at this. A lot of people just go in and use some of these tools for every little bullshit. I seen a video where a guy was literally going in and saying, hey man, change the color of this button. And you look at the token, the token ate up like, 500 tokens on him going in and wanting to change a button. You could have changed that shit yourself. Save yourself some money, save the company money. Because right now, who cares? You're burning through tokens. No one gives a damn, right? But when they start charging for every single thing that you do in some of these platforms, yeah, we're going to start looking at those tokens that you're burning through, okay? And yes, I know, what's the guy's name? The CEO of NVIDIA is like, hey, man, we're going to be judging people how many tokens they use per day. I think that's bullshit. That's good right now while it's cheap. Once the shit hits the fan, you know, they're gonna go in and gonna be like, okay, what did you build with this, right? How many tokens do you use? Were you supposed to be using Fable, or were you supposed to be using Sonnet, or could you use some of the smaller, smaller LLMs, or even the open source ones to save us some money? Okay, even for small, medium-sized businesses, they're gonna go in and be looking through all of that, because yes, you could pay for the $200 max right now, but what if, you know, in the next 6 months, a year from now, 2 years from now, they start going in and start charging outrageous prices? Because really, this AI models, right, it's really to get you addicted to it, right? Like you're so productive. They're showing you how productive you could be. But guess what? They're taking a hit right now. At some point, they're going to come in and be like, all right, y'all got a little dopamine hit. Y'all enjoyed it. You know, they hit you with that little blue magic. They give you a little sniff of the AI. Cool, you got a bump. Now you're addicted to it. Now you got to come back to the crack house. Okay? That's how they're going to be looking at you. And guess what? Crack prices don't went up. That's what they're going to say to you. Yesterday's price is not today's price. Okay? Straight up. That's what they're going to tell you. So at the end of the day, getting that certificate is going to be a good thing. Okay, I know some of you guys is cheap as hell. I don't even know how you guys survive out here. If y'all never invest in yourself, y'all never spend no money on yourself, like, I don't know how you do it. I'm constantly spending in you know, my own self-education, learning new skills, taking chances, taking risk on different things, right? That's just how I've been able to grow as a developer, as an entrepreneur. It's literally by going in and investing in myself, okay? Right now, even for me, like I'm getting a couple of certificates. Right now, I'm in the process of getting my Salesforce Marketing Cloud, right? Again, I could have gotten this years ago, but in reality, like I wasn't really focusing on my career like that. Right now, I'm focusing on my career. You get what I'm saying? All the things that, you know, give me an edge, guess what? We getting them. We collecting certificates like it's, you know, it's Pokemons out here. You know what I'm saying? It's Pokemon badges, okay? You know, it is what it is. Some of you guys is not going to get them. Cool, don't get it. Some of us, we will. And we will get a bag with it. Okay, we know how to finesse. You know, we we take a certificate, make it look like it just came from Harvard type shit. You know what I'm saying? So, you got to know how to move out here. All right? So, yes, the new certificates from Antropic, I'm getting them, right? I'm probably not going to get every single one because I don't think I need all of them, especially for the type of roles that I'm going for and that I'm focused on. But I'm also going to see if maybe if I could get some value out of them, all right? Just for personal, personal choice. Maybe it might not even be career-based, right? But just for me, do I really know how to use all of this shit, right? Sometimes I don't know. I like to test myself, right? And it's nice, right? Shout out to my boy. He got like 8 certificates from Salesforce, and I'm like, man, how you got so many certificates? Like, yo, I've been just snatching them up. Like, he could just jump into Salesforce development, jump into Salesforce administration, Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Like, he could jump in anything in Salesforce. All right. So yeah, there's a lot of people that's out here getting those certificates, and it's believe it or not, valuable for their career. For some of you guys that don't believe in certificate, guess what? This is the new norm. Okay, this is the new norm. It's not gonna be how it used to be, where you just show up to a job and be like, well, I know how to do this, right? And they just gotta believe in it, right? And believe in what you say. Nah, we're gonna need some proof. We're gonna need some certificates out of you, my guy. Okay? And in a sense, it's a good thing, right? For some of us that actually go in and, you know, got the skills, right? And now we're competing with a random dude that just took a YouTube tutorial. I mean, think about it like this. Like, this shit is wild right now. You know, you go in and you apply to a job, right? You might have 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, right? But you still get lumped up with a dude that just watched a YouTube tutorial. you know what I'm saying, that has never built anything, when you apply to the job, right, you still got to go through the same process as him. Which is a good thing and a bad thing. It's a good thing when you are a beginner, right? It's a bad thing as you become experienced. Because you start looking around and like, hold on, my guy, why are you putting me with this guy? You know what I'm saying? So I understand that companies are going to start filtering some of these job applications by certificates. And I told you guys a couple of months ago on this, that this is going to happen, right? Like, yes, there's going to be some companies that will hire without no certificates, but there's some companies that are going to go in and say, hey, do you have this certificate? Do you have this certificate? Okay? Especially because now the industry is switching up to being about tools. It's not just about can you code, right? Yeah, you could code, but guess what? Everybody and their mother could code, okay? Now it's, do you know the process? Do you know how to save us money? Do you know how to make us money, okay? And do you know how to use the tools? And you're not a dinosaur, scared to go in and actually use tools because you want to build everything by hand from scratch. Do that shit on your own time. You know what I'm saying? We here trying to make some money in this business. That's how companies are going to look at you. You show up to a job interview like, yeah, man, it took me 4 days to do this practice test, this take-home test. There's a guy that did it in the first 30 minutes and sent it right back in. Right? At that point, you got to figure it out. You got to go in and be like, all right, hold on. This is like everybody got steroids, and I'm over here trying to be organic. You're not going to cut it. Mark McGuire, Sammy Sosa, they're hitting home runs every freaking day. Okay? They're breaking records. Okay? So now what you going to do? You going to take that steroid, or you going to be out here looking all limpy? Guess what? I'm taking that steroid, man. Everybody taking it. I'm taking a steroid too. Shout out to everybody in here. By the way, guys, for anybody that's a beginner that's trying to get into the game, this is the type of things that we focus on. We focus on really just the things that's going to get you a job, get you into the game. If you're interested in this career, definitely check out CodingPhase.com. We've been doing this for 10 years. We didn't start yesterday. I'm not a random YouTuber that just does videos for doing videos. When we talk about something, it's to get you results, okay? It's 10 years under the belt, okay? Put some respect in my name, and I'll see you guys later. Take care. Bye.